Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, we need to find about complementary solution and particular solution. About complementary solution, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if I do first derivative, I will have about lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because I do first derivative of this one, so I keep about this one in here. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda. And now we do second derivative, you got about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one should be equal to number 0. So this one we change by this one, and y we change by this one. Now we have e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. That should be like this. And now I will put this one equals to number 0. And we put number 1 go to the right. And now lambda will have about I, that's about imaginary unit, and lambda equal to negative I. So about yc, we will have about c number 1 equals to e to the power of lambda s. Lambda we change for I, so we have is. And c number 2 equal to e to the power of negative is. In this one we can write like this, that's about c1 sine s, c2 cosine s. And now we know that we have number 1, so particular solution of this one. That should be about yb equals to number 1. And now we can find the general solution. This is the end. Thank you for watching.